Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Today also I brought for you one more new varieties from the silk segment. 900 rupees to 3700 rupees of Swarovski pattern, Kanjivaram pattern. You have a Mina curry pattern, kalamkari based. All these varieties you can purchase at factory price with the color charts. So resellers, quickly you can add into your business these kind of box varieties. You have every saree with the box collections. So let's see the varieties. All the collections are first pattern you have a parrot green color pallu with the beautiful Swarovski stonework, and you have a wine maroon combination. You have a wine maroon, and this is the blouse. You can see here the blouse with the border, and this is the pallu. And this saree you have a beautiful pattern with the stonework. This champak pattern is the code. Champak Patani is the code. In this kind of collections, there is a wine maroon with copper butta, weaving work saree. Beautiful collections you can purchase. This is the saree. If you see the next color saree, dheere se. Pastel color, lavender color with the matte golden. This code is beautiful saree with the only pastel color. Lekha satin wall 5. Lekha satin wall 5. There is a jacquard. You can see the weaving. I used my metal actually, the metal. So bangles or any other metal also is not catching the weaving. So these kind of collections with the pastel color, you can see here the pastel color sarees with the leafy pattern. Traditional this pattern of the pastel color charts also you can purchase. And this is self designer fabric with the running butta with the border. This is the blouse. These kind of sarees also you can purchase. Next saree coming to beige green with again matte look with the leafy pattern, beautiful pallu with fancy thread tassels. This is code, this is Navrang wall 10. Navrang wall 10. In this you have a weaving, so multiple matte beige green pattern. So this kind of sarees also you can purchase. All these exclusive new articles Kesaria is bringing for you to sell, to make your customers happy, and you can also have a good margin at your business. So you have to buy always with the actual manufacturers who is giving you color charts with the catalog at the factory price. The quality or quantity, all you are getting a best collections. Next is Mina curry concept. You have a beautiful Mina curry concept of the kalamkari based weaving. So dark peacock blue color, one of the combination, multi weaving work you can see here, and this is the thread you can see over here. This is Rajyog satin wall 2. DGN Rajyog satin wall 2 is the code. In this you can purchase the beautiful color combination with the fancy tassel, lovely pallu. You can see the base of the Garba dance, how they, the work which is given here, the Garba, which is Gujarat is famous in this Navratri, they celebrate this kind of collections which is given. You can see peacock blue, but here the color is totally different. The color combinations, when you see the actual weaving work sarees, satin and glossy, which is very shining color, lovely color. This is a one of the butta, and this is a pallu with the running blouse, same border you can see here. This is one of the pattern. Next, Swarovski, the stonework pattern you can see here. This is fancy unique silk, fancy unique silk, the fancy tassels, heavy Swarovski pallu. You can see the beautiful pallu with the magenta color border. On the borders you have a triangle base with a covered golden stone. You have a pinkish color and with the magenta, this thing. In this you have a color combination. This is the pattern with the golden, and this is the golden butta with the running blouse. Brocade pattern you can see here, and this is the running border on the highlights which is on the hands. You will get it. All the sarees are with running blouse, 630 meters. Next saree, which is fancy Varun silk, which is a lemon yellow with bottle green or mandi green is a combination. The silver stone with the umbrella fancy tassels which is highlighted on the pallu. This is one of the pattern. All these exclusive collections you can buy with the only manufacturer. And the geometrical pattern, you can see the circle pattern, the stone which has been highlighted with the traditional based, all these beautiful festival based saris. You can see the lemon yellow with the bottle green color combination. So this with stonework, without stonework, you have a lovely colors. And this is the one of the mehndi green with the brocade pattern matte look finishing, again with the highlighted with the dark heavy bottle green with the highlighted heavy border on the hands where you can stitch it. This is one of the pattern. Coming to the last article, which is a very beautiful color combination with the purple, with the caramel color with the piping work, and you can see the cushions, the mini cushions which is highlighted on the hanging pallu, which gives a raw rich look. You can see here the rich look which highlights the mini cushions with the fancy tassels with the golden umbrella layers where you can see, and highlighted with the kalamkari design on that, the stones which are placed as a silver finishing stone with the caramel piping color combination with the purple color, the dark purple color or the brinjal color combination exactly. The saris, all these kind of varieties with the brocade, Banarasi, Paitani, Patola, Kanjivaram, two-tone, Jacquard silk, all kind of varieties for all the state color combinations, functions to function, festival to festival, occasions to occasions. You can give for your beloved ones, you can gift share, you can give sharing with your family members, with everyone. These kind of collections you can also purchase. So no worries, these all kind of collections quickly you can also add into your business. Every saree you have a boxes also. So many varieties with many border sarees, pastel colors, color charts, kanjivaram, copper butta, silver butta, golden butta, Mina kari, Paitani butta, so Laria based pattern, digital concept pattern. So you have many more varieties. The thing is, when we visit, we will get n number of collections. When we visit, we will understand what is rapier, what is silk rich, what is Poonam saree, what is fancy saree with blouse, and these all collections are having a beautiful box packing varieties which you can also purchase, and you can also have a better margin in your selling products. So hope you like this collections. Channel, subscribe the channel. You can quickly add into your business before getting out of stock. So every from Poonam saree to from party wear boutique saree, day by day for this Diwali and Dashra, Kesaria is bringing for you new collections to make your customers happy. So visit, purchase when you have a time. Try to do visit, purchase when you couldn't travel. Before getting out of stock, take a screenshot once you watch the video. Talk to your online team by through WhatsApp call and voice call, video call. You can place. Pan India COD options are there. Worldwide shipping transport is there. No need to worry. Indian currency 1 lakh you can buy. You can do online purchasing from other countries also. So hope you enjoyed this video collections. Next video will meet. Sure, please share the channel link with your friends, relatives who is really interested to start a clothing business. So, and don't forget, please mention your name and city in the comments, and you have a price. Please share the prices you are asking. The price I'm not sharing, the approximate price I'm sharing. Why? Because many resellers are buying and doing a business. So hope you understand. So next video we'll meet, friends. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.